Okay, hello everyone. Good morning. This is Zach over here. All right. Before we start, just a quick disclaimer. Right, this section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks based on this discussion this morning, so make sure your own trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional. Right. So again, we're gonna look into the overall markets this morning over here. Okay, and let's see whether there's any others opportunity that is available. But looks like KLSC actually having a inverse pullback. So if you are here with me, again, appreciate if you can type a one for me, right, to ensure my sound and screen is working. All right. So okay, now let's look into the overall KLCI market. Actually, it's not that strong actually. Okay, so if you look into the KLCI chart, okay, yesterday actually break lower, and today also is a down bar at this moment here this morning. So let's say normally in this case over here, what you're afraid is that there will be an inverse pullback. So probably it will retest around 1600 area again. So let's say it break, probably I think it's around this area over here, 1580 level. Okay, probably it will retest somewhere this area here again. But this is like a so-called inverse pullback patterns. Okay, that's I think we have to pay attention to watch out and be extra careful. Okay, overall market is not that great. Even like technology, I think yesterday slightly a bit disappointing, to be frank with you. Okay, so if I look into this, the overall indices, okay lah, plantation. I think so far it's only plantation is moving quite strong. The rest are still okay lah. So technology wise, okay, looks like today holding already around 60 level. Okay, just that to talk about technology. If let's say holding around the 60 level, I think something that we can actually look into. Okay, around this level over here. Okay, looks like started to build around this level already. So hopefully, a few days later, okay, it will be remain around 60 level, around 60 level. But D&O slightly a bit disappointing for me. It cut through below the support level, okay, which is why today probably I will exit from this trade. Okay, very small losses. Okay, I think it's okay. Yesterday dropped around like 6%. Okay, so probably later on I'll see how maybe I will actually park the queue to exit already, but it haven't triggered yet. Okay, so I haven't matched yet. Okay, so later I will see. Let's say drop a little bit lower, just going to cut and exit. Okay, for D&O. Okay, now the other one is MSM. Do let me know any stock you want me to look into. Okay, I will study together. Okay, if not, we'll end our section today also. Boring market, not much people currently. All right, so here MSM still holding well around support area. Okay, for me, nothing much to comment. Okay, because they are still above the support level. I think everything is still fine and good. Solar West, let's into Solar West. Solar West actually last week closing is not that nice. Okay, so I was watching around the support area as well. So hopefully it will still remain above the 20 MA. Okay, let me put my SNR. Okay, latest support is around this area over here. Okay, exactly at the low of the Friday candle. Okay, so around 1620. Okay, so this is the area that I will watch out for my so-called Solar West. Okay, now let's turn to Unique again. Any changes recently after exit already? Okay, looks pretty good actually. Or maybe can try out Unique again. I think Unique is pretty good. Okay, most probably I'll try out Unique again. Okay, to cover some losses for my D&O. Okay, let me just write down. I think Unique not bad. Okay, plantation keep moving up. I missed some plantation counter also in Chopat as well because it didn't make a slightly lower pullback. So it's yesterday mostly go up already. Okay, so it's okay. So right, this is Chopat. Let's try Jatiasa. Okay, Jatiasa yesterday got some shooting star. Okay, hopefully you will pull back a little bit from here. TSH. Okay, yesterday closed the shooting star as well. Oh, did it quite strong? Okay, TH plant. Okay, I'm looking for this few. Hopefully later on got a nice entry. Wow, this one got shooting star already. Okay, this one very close to resistance also. Okay, maybe need to be patient because they are slightly far away from 20 MA. And market like just now I show you, FBM KLCI is not that potent, it's not that bullish yet. So that's why anything that above or far away from support, I just going to temporary avoid first. Okay, so plantation, where's plantation? Boy, we study plantation chart as well. Okay, this is plantation chart. Okay, very strong. Wow, far from the DMA also. So this one afraid of a sudden pullback actually. Okay, last one, Toglev. If you got any stocks, actually, you can let me know by commenting below. If not, just go through some of the visual, so the usual chart over here. Okay, it looks like Toglev going to wait. Some rejection from resistance. Okay, never mind. This one just because I already took some partial profit as well. Okay, now let's look into some pullback stock. If let's say any this morning. Okay, this morning, I think so far Unique is okay. The other one I found is ADB, not too bad also. I think this is some of the. Is it ADB? Not ADB. The other one. Okay, let me check. I think it's CowPoint. Okay, let me check. Related counters. ADB. Yeah, CowPoints. I think so. Yeah, CowPoint. CowPoint I think not bad. Okay, but just here got the gaps. So sometimes gaps will take some time to cross. Okay, looks like they are holding well. Okay, around 20 MA areas. Okay, but so far I prefer Unique. Okay, this one probably I'll come back look into it. Okay, now let's go to stock idea here for my so-called the XIFU pullback list for those who have access to XIFU. Okay, I do see CEKD triggered just on 9:15. Ying Sun, okay, the rest is I think a bit illiquid counters. Okay, I think I only got two so far. So this which means that market is boring. Okay, this morning, which I think yes, even plantation didn't really move this morning. Okay, now let's look into CEKD first. Let's say got any nice setups. Okay, a part of Unique. Okay, CEKD. Okay, not too good. Okay, not too good. A bit illiquid. Illiquid counters for me, I don't like it. Okay, sometimes exit very susah one. Ying Sun. Yeah, nothing much. Teo Seng yesterday appeared, but I'll look into Teo Seng in EIB. Okay, Ying Sun is in a reaccumulation. Okay, now currently actually they are in this level so a bit weak Okay, overall a bit weak Okay, but later on once strength appeared okay, I don't know later maybe after a few months I think it's good to monitor. I think just now in our Telegram there's one member asked about SKP resources. Okay, this one not bad also, but need to hold for a while. Okay, here we got like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so building a support already. Okay, so this is something that worth to look into it. Okay, building support with strength. Kind of similar like previously Kim Noon. Okay, like Kim Noon also I think like last month we posted in the group, right? But no people interested because it's a boring type of counters. Okay, but normally in this kind of market you see this kind of stocks, right? It's worth to pay attention to it. Like for example here, I got plenty over here. This one even got 5 strength signal. Okay, this one break up already. Okay. So over this zone over here, you got 5 strength signals. So which means that their support is pretty strong. So that's why SKP resources, just now I think the member asked, right? Yes, something worth to look into it. Okay, let's look into Teo Seng. I got Teo Seng also appeared yesterday for my pullback list. Hey, pretty good. Okay, this one pretty good. Wow, but strong uptrend already. But one good thing is that this one luckily got a nice pullback. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Number 4 pullback already. So you don't expect them to have this kind of run. If let's say from here, maybe slightly break above resistance, okay, I think also good to lock some profit. But yes, this is a good setup, okay, for Teo Seng. Okay, EIB. Let's try EIB. Again, this is some of the pullback stocks that appeared. Okay, this is appeared on yesterday, 4:45. Okay, so you can actually go back to past few days ago to check as well. Sometimes the pullback is still there, but this one never mind. Illiquid counters. Okay, but Teo Seng's not bad. Okay, all right. Morning Ruku. Okay, look at Jatia Tiasa EP. J Tiasa, a bit high already. Actually, I want the EP also. I queuing 1200 1.2 sorry, but didn't get sometimes problem of being too stingy Okay, cannot get the price I want. Okay, yesterday's shooting star. So here we got some resistance as well coming into this area here. which is the current R1 level. Okay, somewhere around this zone. So if you ask me, I think maybe it will pull back. Okay, because first it hits the resistance. Seconds, there's a shooting star with increasing volume. So if you ask me, I would still think that remain 1.20 somehow is lower risk and safer. Okay, so yeah, I will continue to monitor around the area. I don't want to chase right now because of later sudden pullback. Sometimes it will pull back to potentially 1.101. Okay, because here is the gap area. Okay, notice here is another gap area with support. Okay, gap, resistance, turn to support. So maybe it will retest back into this area also. So I want to be more extra careful. Okay, because current price is around 1.3. So maybe 1.20 is something that I wanted to. Okay. So now, any other questions about Ojia? If not, probably we'll end our section. Quick one this morning because even my screen list over here also nothing much. Okay, Teo Seng, yes, I think just now I checked already. Teo Seng, I think so far so good. Okay, again, do remember if you are here with me, help me to click the like button, help me to share this out. All right. Okay, now last one, BP Plastic. Okay, I think much also. I think. All right, so I think we will end our section this morning. So once again, thank you for joining me. Okay, Ruku got Gamuda. Let's do into Gamuda before we end. Still okay for Gamuda. Okay, looks like they are building this cluster of closes. Okay, maybe wait for them to build another few days. Okay, now again, you must watch out S1 support one. Drop below here, you have to decide whether you want to still hold or not. Depending on you, are you long term or short term? Okay, because here we got some profit taking. I think because due to the news the other day, the good news. Okay, so there's a profit takings over here. Okay, but what good thing is that now there are seems like building a cluster of closes. Okay, a series of narrow candles. So normally, if let's say build COC cluster of closes, okay, above 20 MA, I think is a good sign. Okay, so you use the low of this candle over here or S1 here as your maybe a stop loss area or cut loss point. Okay, so all right. With this, once again, thank you for joining me. You know we have these so-called Telegram groups. If you want to have more discussion on daily basis, join the Telegram group so that we can update with each other. The latest so-called setups and market condition. Right. So with this, thank you, and I'll see you again tomorrow.